To set up connectivity between RMH and QuickBooks, you need to perform two tasks. 1. Connecting the program to RMH database. 2. Set up QuickBooks API to communicate with QuickBooks. To set up the connectivity with the RMH database, start your SQL Server Management Studio and log in with the SA credentials. Select the RMH store or the RMH Central Database, depending on whether you have a single store or multi-store environment. Select the administrative user and click on Save. To set up QuickBooks API, go to the API Setting tab and select QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop, depending on which version you are using. Enter the required information and click on Save. Once saved, this information cannot be changed.